Andreas, how's it going, man?
Good.
What are you doing out here today?
Skydiving?
Are you serious?
Yeah, of course.
Where's your parachute then, man? I think you're gonna need one. Or at least to do it twice. Are you ready for this?
Yeah, of course.
Let's go do it. Let's go do it, man. Hey, how was that?
Oh, fucking awesome.
Pretty cool stuff, right?
Yeah.
Would you do it again?
Of course.
Awesome, man. That's what I want to hear. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You did it, man.